So if you want to make it easier to work with Trello, then you can use the Trello extension. So I'm using Microsoft Edge browser right here, but you can use any browser based on Chromium. So Microsoft Edge browser is one of the Chromium browser. So I can go into chrome.google.com right here onto Chrome Web Store. So just like that, if you were to type in chrome.google.com/web store, you'll be able to access the web store where you can add in the Trello extension from. So on the search for store section, just like this, I'm just going to type in Trello and I'm going to press enter. So you can see that there's various Trello options that are available right here. So I'm just going to go around into more extensions, just like this. And then you can see that Trello is there. So this is the original Trello extension, which I'm going to add to Chrome. So once I add onto Chrome, it says add Trello to Microsoft Edge, and the extension can read and change your data from Trello.com, obviously, because that is what Trello Trello extension is for, and it will read your browsing history. So if you're fine with that, just add in the extension and the extension will be added onto your browser. So now once you add in, this pops up. So you have to set up the Trello account first and sign in. So once you click on it, it says that Trello for Chrome, that is Chromium based browsers, will be synced up. So I'm just going to click on allow for it to manage it out. So now it says you're all set. So you can see on the top on my address bar, there's Trello as a function. So now I'll be able to manage my board from right over here. And that makes things a lot more easier. And we're going to see some of its functions in the later lessons. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.